Okay, let's continue with the most electrifying collectible card game. Okay, the rule books is the same. WWF still in the original form. It's a mint condition for the superstar card. Mankind, hand size to superstar value 4. Superstar ability, you must draw 2 cards. If possible, during your draw segment, all damage from opponent is at -1 damage. Okay, let's open this. Oh, okay. The superstar card in mint condition. Okay, foil. So the first foil card is Have a Nice Day. It's a reversal card. Okay. And the next foil card is a double arm DDT, which is a special move for Mankind. Okay, it's a unique move, double arm DDT. Okay, the next one will be Tree of Woe. Okay, it's a grapple maneuver, so it's a foil card as well. Okay, so there's 4 foil cards for this edition. Okay, including the superstar card. Okay, the normal ones will be headlock takedown, headlock takedown, headlock takedown. Okay, but it's with the test picture, standing side headlock. Okay, maximum 3 cards. Chicken wing, wow. Okay, chicken wing that you can't eat. Reversal card, elbow to the face, elbow to the face, knee to the gut. Okay, this looks good. Rolling takedown. Okay, I've seen this before. Recovery. So that's good. Shuffle 2 cards into your arsenal. Okay, good recovery card. We roll out of the ring, twice. Okay, chop. Okay, punch, headbutt. So this is a good starter cards. Okay, 0 fortitudes. Seems that Mankind has a lot of 0 fortitudes cards that can start off the match. Okay, headbutt. There's a blue strip here, not sure why. Okay, headbutt. Armbar takedown. Okay, there's a lot of repeated cards. Okay, hip toss. So maximum of 3 cards, and he so far he has a lot of 0 fortitude cards, which is he can start off the match easily. Okay, wrist lock. So he has a mixture of submission, a grapple, and a few strike cards. Okay, so this is the reversal. Step aside is the normal reversal cards. Okay, the escape move, break the hole, 2 each. Okay, there's look at top 5 of your cards. You either arrange them in order or shuffle. Okay, this design is just This is just for you to adjust your arsenal before you draw your cards. Okay, and it's a 0 fortitude, so it's quite big, can be a useful card. Okay, don't think too hard, don't think too hard. So he has a lot of repeated cards. Okay, this is the Rock's picture, but it's under Mankind's deck. Okay, look top of your card of your opponent's arsenal, and you may either don't think too hard. 3 copies. Okay, joking for position, 3. Okay, also repeated cards. I think the person who created the starter deck for Mankind is doing an easy job. Just keep repeating the cards to fill up the 60 cards for the deck. So Irish Whip, there's only action setup cards can be used more than can have more than 3. Okay, reversal. Okay, reversal cards, action cards, and action setup cards. Okay, action and grapple, strike and action, and all the 0 fortitude cards, which is very thick. Okay, chicken wing, and all the 3 foil cards. Okay, that is specific to Mankind. Okay, so the highest is 15 damage, and this is the Mankind deck. Bye bye.